Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on the Turbo App Builder's Flow feature. Flows allow you to connect actions and data across your applications. In this video, we'll explore the different types of flows available and how to use them to streamline your workflows. Creating a flow. In order to create a new flow, we need to have a form already designed and published. Under the Forms section, find the specific form you want to work with and click the View Flow icon. A list of all the flows will be displayed. In the New Flow tab, click on the Create button. A list of the different types of flow can be seen. Manual flows. Create a manual flow if you're building a flow to learn or try something out, or if you need to run the flow ad hoc. These flows can only be triggered manually using the Run button in the Turbo Apps Builder. Webhook flows. These are triggered by external events, like a new ticket created in Salesforce. Turbo Apps Builder listens for a signal from another system and executes your flow in response. Scheduled flows. Scheduled flows are triggered according to a configured schedule. Use this to run flows at pre-configured intervals, for example, to create an inspection form every month on the first day, etc. You can also use it to refresh master data on a schedule. Form action flows. These powerful flows act based on user interactions with forms. They can pre-fill data, process submissions, send notifications, or trigger actions in other systems, all based on user activity. Subflows. These are flows that can be included as steps in other flows. Common and repetitive actions like posting a Teams notification can be created as subflows. They can then be called steps in any other flow, thus enabling reuse. Smart data flows. These flows are triggered directly from smart data components in your forms. For example, when a work permit is to be assigned to a contractor or technician, check their credentials to make sure they hold current certifications to do the job. Select the type of flow you want based on your need for the form. In this example, let us select a manual flow. Enter details like title and description. This information may vary depending on the type of flow you want to work with. Click on the Save button to open the Flow Builder. In the Builder, you can add the various nodes by clicking the plus sign and searching for the node name. You can make changes or add details to the node by clicking the arrow button. Save each node by clicking on the Save icon. Once you have built the flow, click on the Publish button to publish it and hit the Run Flow button to test it. In the upcoming videos, we will be seeing how to utilize the different flows in Turbo Apps. Thank you for watching.